So my topic will be manganese steel. The what are the contents in manganese steel? It would be a steel all alloy contains 12% to 13% of manganese, whereas carbon steel is contains 1.2 to 1.8% of manganese. Yeah. So carbon steel will be the steel that doesn't have any more specific metals added into it. Uh, so what are the properties of manganese steel? The most important properties would be high impact strength and resistance to wear and abrasion. Both of these properties makes it a good structural material and good material to work in rough conditions. Uh, since it has a high impact strength, it is good to work used as a structural material in residential buildings or commercial buildings, such as a warehouse uh, or a uh, or like a school or something. Uh, and it also resists to wear and abrasion. Uh, the wear and resistance to wear and abrasion makes it a good good material for tools or uh machines. Yeah, and it's also non-magnetic. Uh, it allows it to work in uh the electronic industries to carry magnets. Uh, Also it has a high tensile strength, so which means it's good to work with the concrete. Uh, and based on its the manganese property, it is rust resistant because the chemical property of manganese can extract oxygen from the surrounding, which makes there will be insufficient oxygen for the rust to form. But but since it's really rough to work with, it has zero machinability, which means the the majority ways to use manganese steel will be casting, not drilling or cutting, because it has it calls self-hardening property. When you cut the material, it gets harder during the cutting process. Uh, uh, Manganese steel is one of the most common steel used nowadays. Uh, since it's a tough material, it had a wide range of usage. As I said, building material because it has a high impact strength and resistance to abrasion and corrosion. Also, cement mixer and rock crushers. Like these machines need like a tough material because they are working with hard materials at all time. So high impact strength and wear resistance would be important. Also, uh, shovel baskets or other tools has been used manganese steel as the material because also it's a really tough product, a tough material to work with. But uh, comparing to carbon steel, manganese steel has some flaws, such as it is really difficult to work with, or so it increased the production cost. But overall, the property makes it uh superior in these usages than carbon steel. And here are my references.